StyloBrainer presents Cynophobic Woman Rescues a Drowning Puppy. What happens next will shock you. Please subscribe and hit the bell button so you won't miss our new videos. Quick note, in Islam, dogs are allowed for hunting and certain selective activities, but a dog's saliva is considered impure. A Muslim can touch a dog, provided they're sure the dog's saliva has not contaminated its hair or body while it's still wet. Anything that gets infected with a dog's saliva has to be washed thoroughly according to a specific step-by-step procedure. They have to ensure it is cleaned at least 7 times, one of which should be with specific sand. So unless it's really necessary and an emergency, this is the reason why Muslims stay away from dogs. It's not because they don't like dogs, but they're extra careful to avoid this procedure they're not familiar with. Also, it's not easy to find the proper type of sand for it. Anyway, so back to the story. According to Zyrul, his wife Chi-Chi jumped down and rescued the stray puppy who fell deep into the drain behind his parents' house. The poor puppy was being swept away by the current of the drain due to the heavy rain earlier. It just so happened that my husband and I just arrived at my in-laws' house when I read about the puppy in our family's WhatsApp group. I started to panic when I saw him struggling and gasping out of breath in the drain. He's so small and alone down there, so I only did what I should, hoping he could safely return back to his mother, she said. Meanwhile, Zyrul claimed that his wife is cynophobic, yet she acted too fast before he and other family members could even volunteer. As far as I know, she's scared of dogs, but I'm proud seeing her sense of humanity overcame her fear, making her spontaneously act in that manner. The puppy was shivering to death. We couldn't leave him. My wife wiped him dry, wrapped his body, and fed him. Then later, she samuk her hands and feet, said Zyrul. Zyrul also said that what happened later that day was even more shocking. After some time, a pack of adult dogs came by, waited outside facing towards the house. I couldn't believe my eyes. They stayed like that for a while. At that moment, I knew that they wanted to thank us in their own way. Then my mom said to those dogs, "Okay, you're welcome," and they left, added Zyrul. Because she's a Muslim and cynophobic, this story has caught many dog lovers' attention among their Facebook friends network. People were impressed and praised her selfless act towards the helpless puppy. Well, that's all for now. I hope we made your day and put a smile on your face. Make sure you share this video to spread the positivity.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me the